Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display total product quantity in my account order detail page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in order detail page in my account order section, and then you see product. So we are going to display total product quantity in numbers. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see title product quantity, so you can add title name according to your requirement, and we are going to get item count. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order detail page in my account order section and refresh the page. Now you see new title added, product quantity 5. Now you see our total product 2 but quantity 5, 4, 1, 5. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.